All right, I'm Joe, and I just took delivery of my 488 GTB. I decided to come to Bill with immaculate paint protection after really checking about 4 other company that does this. Highly recommended by other people and stuff like this. But when I came here and I met with Bill, and based upon what he's capable of doing, because he's worked on some friend's car, I decided I feel more comfortable here. So this actually is the second car I brought in here after the Porsche, and then I just brought him another Jaguar XKR, and I wouldn't want anybody touching the cars because when I picked it up, it looks better than when it was coming out of the factory. So, immaculate paint protection.
Thanks, Joe. Really, it was a pleasure working for you, sir.
For packages, pricing, and more, visit us at immaculatepaintprotection.com.